It's time for better food, so maybe you've heard of poke bowls. They're becoming really popular.
So what exactly is a poke bowl? Sonny Chen and Max Condren from Pokeworks in West Hartford are here with a few varieties of poke bowls. The first question I have for you guys is, if I eat a poke bowl, am I a Pokemon?
You're the Pokemon.
I am the Pokemon. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure I got that in. It was my only joke that I've been working on for the whole show.
So tell us, Sonny or Max, whichever wants to explain, what exactly is a poke bowl?
Yeah.
So poke bowl. So poke is the Hawaiian word for sliced or diced fish.
I did not know that.
So it originally, is a Hawaiian dish. Usually it's a tuna, but it's kind of grown to be other raw fish as well.
Okay.
But what we've done at Pokeworks is not only do we have raw fish, so we have tuna, we have salmon, we have spicy salmon, spicy tuna. We also have chicken, cooked chicken. We have cooked shrimp, cooked scallops. We have organic tofu, so we kind of meet a lot of people's.
It's because some people just don't like sushi. They don't want their fish raw, or they don't want their things raw, so they can come in and they can get some things cooked as opposed to raw.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So
How
Sonny,
doing,
you
Sonny?
brought everything.
Yeah, you good?
I'm great.
Last time I saw you was a black bamboo.
There you go.
In,
Sweet and
West
sour
Hartford.
chicken.
Yeah. Sweet and sour chicken. I know. My mother got it, so that's what she ordered.
So show us, if we come to Pokeworks or we try to make this at home, what's the start? You start with the base?
Yeah, so you go, we have 4 different healthy bases you could choose from. We have, over here, we have sushi rice.
Sushi rice.
And then we have kale noodle.
Kale noodle.
Kale
I've
noodles.
never heard of kale noodle before.
Only
You're
at,
gonna give it a taste.
Yeah, look at that. How beautiful is that?
That looks good.
only at Pokeworks, though.
Okay, only at Pokeworks. Kale noodles, okay.
And then we have whole grain brown rice.
I love, me, and I got whole grain brown rice whenever I go to any Black Bamboo or Pokemon. Go ahead.
Okay, we've learned something new also, that it's poke, not pokey. So we have to learn the lingo when we're going there. Poke.
Poke.
Okay.
Or you
Okay.
can get the regular boring salad, which I'm not getting the boring salad. I want to get something exciting.
We also offer quinoa and stuff.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, we do.
I love quinoa.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Quinoa is there just for
All right, so how do we construct this?
All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Today I'm gonna make a Hawaiian classic.
Okay.
So
So that starts with white rice.
White rice, or whatever rice base,
Okay.
or you could mix 2 base, whatever you want.
I could say I want half white, half brown.
Yeah.
So we have a couple signature works, one of them being the most popular is the Hawaiian Classic. So it kind of has a recipe that we start with. So it starts with the ahi tuna.
Yep.
And then we're adding just some sweet onion.
Okay.
This is all going into a mixing bowl with some cucumber.
Yep.
Persian cucumber, and that's ogo seaweed. So that's actually a Hawaiian seaweed. It's nice and crunchy.
Yep.
A lot of minerals.
So, Max, when I come in, I'm going to go down a line. Is that like how it is? So it's not
You
something
got it.
that's, I order
It's
it.
going to be fresh, freshly prepared.
And I pick exactly what I want that's going to go into my poke bowl.
Absolutely.
Right in
you
front
got
of you.
it. Right in front of you, yeah.
And
Right
if we
in
don't
front
know
of
what kind of poke bowl we want, you have some suggestions. Like we could just say, give me the signature.
Right.
And then,
So
but take out the cucumber or whatever if you want to make adjustments or add other things.
Oh, look at the picture. How great is that?
Oh yeah, it looks like, it's fun, and it's right, just to give people an idea where it is, it's across from the West Farms Mall, near Shake Shack, so it's right over
got
in there.
it.
You guys just recently opened. Now, the kids like to come here too?
Oh, the kids love it. So, people are coming, before sports practice, after school, after sport practice. It's a great, light,
Look at
healthy
me.
meal.
I'm ready to go.
Spicy?
Yeah. Carol likes it spicy.
There we go.
With a Thai chili.
She had ghost peppers yesterday for lunch.
No, I did not.
Yeah, she
The
totally
man
did.
told us not to eat them for fear we might not be able to be okay.
Exactly.
With a wonton crisp.
But I did just interview Dr. Mark Hyman
Garlic
yesterday, and he
crisp.
talked about how spicy foods do increase your metabolism.
Is that true? Mm-hmm. All right.
So pile
what
on
is
the
that?
chili.
What is that?
Shella nori, which is seaweed.
Oh, more seaweed.
Yeah.
So it's like several different types
Yeah,
of
you
seaweed.
guys,
And then you toss it all
Yeah,
together.
like, is this mandarin orange?
Yeah, little orange.
Yeah.
That'll cut down the chili. You get a little sweetness.
And pineapple?
Mango.
Oh, it's mango. Yum.
You want some seaweed salad?
Sure. I mean, the more seaweed,
But
the
this
better.
is a great way to bring the whole family. You're eating pretty healthy, and everyone can get what they want.
Want to try some?
Carrie, you want to try some? Go ahead. We can both dig in.
Are we supposed to stir it up?
Yeah,
Is
you're
that-
supposed to mix it up.
Okay.
Yeah, or you can shake.
Yeah, absolutely.
whatever
Shake
you
it.
want.
Okay. All right. Let me
Shake,
just.
shake, shake. All right, here we go. I'm so bad at chopsticks.
You look like a pro.
Pretty good.
It's really good.
Oh, it's delicious.
Right. And if you want, I mean, this is such a healthy, quick way to eat at home, too. We just have to prep the way you do, have little containers of stuff in our refrigerator.
Absolutely.
Wow,
and,
really good.
You know, with all the dietary restrictions that people have, we can kind of fit whatever your needs might be.
Black and white sesame seeds, got the yin and the yang. Oh, you like the quick kale noodles? I want to try a kale noodle. Give me.
Yeah, just piggyback what Max said. We people gluten-free. We cater to a lot of dietary needs.
Well, and if you're going with a friend, they
vegetarian.
can just get whatever they want. Nobody has to get the same thing, so you can really
Exactly.
customize it. Yeah.
Exactly.
It's kind of hard to eat kale noodles. I've decided on TV. I think I'm gonna wait because we're on TV and I don't want it to do what yours is doing.
And then we have also a bunch of these signature bowls that are already made.
Yeah.
We got chicken here. We got tofu and shisho salmon right there.
All right. Thank you so much. So maybe you want to check it out this weekend. You can check out Poke Works in West Hartford, right on New Britain Avenue next to Shake Shack. You're going to find more information online at pokeworks.com. And I know you said you're starting to deliver too.
Absolutely. Yes.
Ooh,
So the
that's
next
nice.
week or two, we'll be live with delivery.
Ooh.